I really came to Job Corps so I can have an opportunity to go and get my high school diploma, get a trade in. Here in Job Corps, it's not bad. It's not what I was thinking. People on the internet say they say so much bad things about Job Corps, which is like, that is what you think. So I can just have I guess you could say like a brand new start. I'm taking automotive here at Job Corps. They don't treat us like children. They would be more direct with you. And that's what I like the most, is because I don't like being treated as a child. I want to be treated as an adult. My roommates are funny. They do get on my nerves, but in a good way. They're funny, so funny. We get along very well. I started talking to people more, and the more you talk to somebody, the more you want to talk to more people. Communication is everything, really. If you want to know how somebody feels, talk to the person. You're here for yourself. I believe if you want to do something for yourself, you would have to try it. That's what I think. But I've turned around. Tremendously, I've turned around.